The countryside is beginning to grow on me, with all its diversity. Wide open fields, beautiful vegetation, observing the hard work of the local farmers, and slowly watching the apples grow from blooming to harvest. What a privilege. I go out to explore more almost every day. When it's not a very good day to walk for me, there's always the good old Dutch bicycle. Sometimes I feel like I could drown in the nature surrounding me. And again, this part of my country keeps surprising me. You can ride through pastureland one moment and discover a somewhat creepy forest around the corner. Creepy, but beautiful at the same time. Walking in nature helps me slowing down for a moment. Slow down and take the time to look at the tiny little details it has to offer. Sadly, you can't take every little detail with you when you leave. I think you know what I mean. Taking pictures or making a video of it just isn't enough to capture the moment. Still beautiful, but still a different feeling when you are standing in the moment itself. So, a long time ago, I took the challenge to try and write it down in words. Not only trying to describe nature, but for instance, writing lyrics for songs. The challenge with that is that you will have to start reflecting. Reflecting yourself, but also how you see things around you. And then trying to describe them how you see them in every little detail. That's the most difficult part. And a lifetime learning process, I guess. It also means you are eager to learn from others. And although I do not read as much as I want, I have a few poets I admire and look up to for their genius way of describing things in life and nature. And I look up to them. It can be discouraging, of course, and I constantly have to remind myself that every poet has his own style and niche. If you are in any way interested in what I write, I have recently shared my first poem on the platform Ko-fi, combined in a video about nature. You can watch it for free if you want, or buy me a coffee for encouragement. The link is in the description. I am telling you, it's not hard to get inspired in this environment. So I'm planning to share some more in the near future. Thank you for watching, and I hope I will see you the next time. Have a wonderful week.